We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things.
I believe that this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal before this decade is out of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the earth.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The moon, our nearest space neighbor. But we really haven't unlocked the true potential of the moon. There are so many hidden resources that we don't even know about yet. But what we do know is already a resource enough in itself. We need to harvest those materials while we can, so they can benefit us now and in the future. Shrine Robonites are going to help you discover what the moon's true potential really is. We should use the helium-3 found on the moon because it is an immense energy source that we can use to power our spacecraft further into the flight. This will allow us to visit planets like Mars and other places where we've never been able to go before.
Magnets can help transportation on the moon and on Earth. When you put two magnets of the same polarity together, they repel each other. This repelling polarity can be used to transport items much more quickly and cheaper than normal cars or buses. It is practical for transportation in space.
Fine pieces of glass have been found in the moon dust along with other elements. This fine glass is made in low gravity and could focus the sun's rays onto the solar panels better than glass on the Earth.
Solar cells are so much better on the moon than the Earth because the moon is closer to the sun than the Earth is. On the moon, there are no clouds, so a solar cell, like this one, can pick up solar rays better. Solar cells on the moon can be used to power anything from toasters to buses when the moon becomes a jumping off point to Mars.
No one really knows what the exact discovery will be, but we think that some type of energy source will be the most important discovery because it will allow us further development on the moon, or a way to launch other missions from the moon.
Space, a final frontier.